If you want to earn money on itch.io, this video will show you the simplest way to get started and publish a product that can actually make sales. Whether you have a game, an asset pack, a tool, a soundtrack, or even a small digital download, itch.io gives you a fast way to list it, price it, and start earning. And best of all, it works great for beginners who want a low-cost way to sell creative work online. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software and creator guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to itch.io in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside, head over to your dashboard. This is where you manage your projects, track your listings, and control everything you publish on the platform. From the dashboard, look for the option to create a new project. Click on Create New Project to start setting up your product page. This is the page people will see when they discover your item on itch.io, so it's important to make it clean, clear, and attractive. Now upload the thing you want to sell. This could be a game, an asset, a tool, or any other digital product you've created. Make sure your file is ready before uploading, because a smooth setup helps you publish faster and makes your page look more professional. After uploading your content, the next step is setting your price. You can choose a fixed paid price if you want to charge a specific amount, or you can use pay what you want if you want to give buyers flexibility. This option is especially useful if you're trying to reach more people or let users support you at different price points. Once the price is set, focus on your description. This part matters a lot because it helps people understand what they're buying. Write a strong description that explains what your product does, who it's for, and why it's valuable. If you're selling a game, mention the genre, features, and what makes it fun. If it's an asset or tool, explain how it helps the buyer save time or improve their work. Next, add good images. Visuals can make a huge difference in whether someone buys your product or scrolls past it. Use clear screenshots, preview images, thumbnails, or mock-ups that show your product in the best possible way. The goal is to make your project page look trustworthy and polished. After that, review everything one more time. Check your title, description, price, files, and images to make sure nothing is missing. A small mistake can affect how professional your page looks, so it's always worth doing one final check before publishing. When everything looks good, publish your page. Once your project goes live, people can discover it, view your listing, and buy your product. That's how you begin earning money on itch.io, by creating a solid product page and making it easy for buyers to understand and purchase your work. If you want better results, keep improving your listing over time. You can update the description, improve your screenshots, test different pricing, or add more products later. The more polished your page is, the better your chances of making sales. So to quickly recap, go to itch.io, open your dashboard, create a new project, upload your game, asset, or tool, set your price, add a strong description and images, and then publish your page. That's the full process for getting started and making money on itch.io. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.